Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. As requested, I'm gonna make a turban hat using non-stretch fabric. Stay tuned. If you love anything about turban hat, consider subscribing. I use lace fabric for this turban hat. This fabric is not stretchy, so you can also use cotton fabric for this turban hat. The first thing is, we need to determine the direction of fabric. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 25 centimeters for babies and 46 centimeters for adult. And the length of this fabric will be twice the head circumference plus 10 to 15 centimeters. For example, if the head circumference is 45 centimeters, the length of this fabric will be 100 centimeters. With the wrong side facing us, fold the fabric about 1 centimeters and fold it like this and pin it. This is to hide the raw edges. I will sew here using a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can use zigzag stitch. Mark around 3 centimeters on the wrong side of the fabric. Fold the fabric and I will sew here until the end of fabric. This is the wrong side of our turban hat and this is the front. Fold the fabric in half and cut the fabric. With the wrong side facing us, cross the fabric and pin here and here and here. With all the pins here, I will sew here, here, and here using a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can use regular straight stitch. I just serge here, here, and here. So when we see from the front, it will look like this. Fold the fabric in half and sew here using straight stitch and then using a serger. Gather the fabric here. Our turban hat is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban hat tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell. Requested. How to request it? I'm gonna check the dictionary. Please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell.